guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here, then welcome to my channel. So guys, as you all know that Plum turns 9 and there's a huge sale going on their website. So first of all, happy birthday Plum. And guys, I really like this brand and they have started very few skincare products, but now they have a huge range of skincare products, makeup products, body care products. Recently they have launched their baby care range too. So hats off to this brand and I wish them all the very best. So there is a sale is going on. The sale is live, I think, and they have sent me some of their best selling products. So they have sent me 3 of their best selling products. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the details of these products and also gonna talk about the details of the sale. So yeah, let's start the video. But if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So the 9th birthday sale is going on their website and the sale is live from 30th June to 6th July, and during this sale you're gonna get up to 50% off on their all products, and also you can get 10% off using my code, and I'll mention the code into the description. Now let's talk a little bit about some of their best selling products which I have received. So they have sent me 3 different products from a different category. The first one is the Plum Body Loving Body Oil, which is from their body care range. Second is the Plum Saffron and Kumkumadi Oil Glow Brightening Moisturizer, which is from their skincare range, and also a liquid lipstick which is from their makeup range. So yeah, let's talk about the body care range first. So let's talk about the body oil. So I have received Plum Body Loving Body Oil in the variant Vanilla Vibes. It comes in 200 ml packaging and this is 100% vegan, cruelty free and nasties free. Nasties free means it is paraben, phthalate, sulfate, silicone and animal derivative free. And this body oil is a very lightweight oil and it absorbs completely and you can use it all over the year. And guys, it has a very mild vanilla fragrance on it which just instantly pick up your mood. Next we have this Plum Saffron and Kumkumadi Oil Glow Brightening Moisturizer, which has SPF 35 on it and it has UVA and UVB protection, and it comes in 50 grams packaging. Now this luxurious day cream infused with saffron and Kumkumadi Thailam. This is fortified with SPF 35. This moisturizer also blocks sun's harmful UVA and UVB rays and guarding your skin against sun damage and tanning. It has a very mild fragrance of saffron and it has gel-like consistency which absorbs completely into the skin. Next and the last product is their lipstick. This is their Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick and the shade is 123 Cinnamon Pop. And guys, let me show you the applicator. So that is how the applicator looks like. It is actually a flat shaped applicator and this shade is a very beautiful nude shade and it looks great on my lips. This is the shade. And guys, on my lips it stay more than 7-8 hours and this is completely transfer proof lipstick. And I just had my breakfast and this is Sunday and there's a luchi aludam in my menu. So after that my lipstick looks so fresh, so definitely I would like to give it a big thumbs up. And I think you should try this lipstick from their entire makeup range. So yeah, this is it about the product they have sent me. and the sale is live on their website, and there's lots of offers, lots of discount, lots of free products, and giveaway as well. So just go and check the description. I will mention all the link into the description. And yeah, this is it about this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.